A lot of you may have seen our YouTube channel and all the success stories there, but the goal here is to give you what you need to truly be successful. You know, everybody knows that starting your very own business will help you to achieve the freedom and financial success that you really need to create a better life for yourself. The major problem with that is that when you're starting out with this business, there's a very high chance of failure. And starting any business, there's a high chance of failure, especially if you don't have the right connections to the right things. Luckily, I've been there and I've done that. I know exactly what you need to succeed in this industry. Again, you can see all the success stories in YouTube. And what I want to do is I want to share that with you. I've helped thousands of people be successful in this business globally. And there's 3 different parts that I want to share with you. First is you need to have the step-by-step plan that you need to be able to launch and scale your business right out of the gate, right? You need to know exactly what equipment and supplies you need in order to break even right out of the gate as well. We don't want you to be paying back loans forever. We do not want you to be in debt. We want you to get out and start knocking on doors and giving out proposals and growing your business from the ground up the right way. We provide you with the marketing and sales strategies that you need to set you apart from your competition.